I yell every single day, guys. Ah! Well, sorry that I'm just...
Separate ways. They're playing Journey. They gotta play separate ways.
Are you a Stranger Things fan?
Yes.
Are you guys excited for season 5?
I've never watched Stranger Things.
6 months to finish season 4, though. I watched the final episode earlier this year with a friend. The same friend that lives on Coffee Party. So yeah, I'm very close with this guy.
That's free basketball.
Where? Oh my god. Wait, actually?
Free basketball.
Do you guys think we can actually manage to take it?
No.
Why not?
Because I'm a pussy and I like abiding to bylaws.
I mean, like, they just left it there, so, like, if they don't want it, they just left it there, you know? Leave the old mouse.
Did you say nuts?
Yo.
Oh, a mouse. Okay, never mind.
You know.
Balls. I mean nuts. I mean